Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by identifying the lock and creating clear access. If it's a pin tumbler, wafer, or electronic unit, note how it mounts and what's broken. Once done, remove trim quickly using a flat pry and tape to protect paint. You'll need a Phillips and a 1/4 driver to free the screws. Make sure to disconnect power or remove batteries from electronic locks so you don't short anything. This early precision saves time and prevents damage while you begin internal inspection. You now dive into the mechanism, remove the cover, and lay parts out in order so reassembly is predictable. Carefully check pins, springs, the cam, and tailpiece for wear or breakage. Broken springs often cause intermittent failures. Clean old grease and debris with a solvent, then apply lubricant sparingly to moving metal. Too much attracts dirt. If alignment is off, adjust or replace the cam or tailpiece, measuring any replacement to match specifications so the lock cycles smoothly every time. Finish by reassembling exactly and reverse and torque screws evenly. Reinstall trim and restore power or batteries last. You must test at least 10 full cycles with the key and the handle to confirm smooth operation and consistent deadbolt travel. If it sticks or fails, make sure the strike plate is aligned and the door sits square. A misaligned strike looks like a lock problem but is a frame issue. If wear or keyway damage remains, replace the cylinder or the entire lock as the only reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.